So I set up in my picnic pavilion to paint all 108 spindles. I painted the beveled base rails, plus the top sub rails and 3 widths of post trim. Meanwhile, Terry framed out the deck. He installed 4x4 posts and Trex-style flooring. I used blocks and rippings to set up an assembly jig on the picnic table. And I made story sticks for several baluster increments, so I could dry assemble each section and get it just right. I bored and countersunk the top rails and base rails for 3 screws per spindle, then clamp it up and screw it together. And finally I top-coated each assembled section. Terry installs the post trim. The wraparound trim makes strong vertical reveals. Each section fits snugly in place, with the top subrails resting on the posts and a small steel bracket supporting the base rail. The top subrails can be trimmed to a neat butt joint, or miters at the corner posts. Chamfered post capitals butt into wide top rails that slope outward for drainage. So here's the completed installation as you walk around past our front door. I'm endlessly fascinated by the play of light and shadow on these rhythmic forms. I like it that the balusters are nowhere near identical. This 7-foot section is the feature rail, but you wouldn't know it from this head-on view. The rise and fall only comes into view when you approach the panel from an angle. This is how it's seen from inside the house. Terry the carpenter enjoys a sit. And now we can entertain friends for barbecue dinners on our beautiful new deck.